What's up, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm GabbyMorr, and this is
Jada, Wesley,
and Luna Morrison.
Say hi, Luna. Hi.
This is Luna. This is your YouTube debut. Oh, don't lick my face. This is going to be a best friend tag and apartment tour video because I moved into this apartment with Jada in August, and I haven't really showed you guys. I told you in the other video that I wanted to start posting with Jada more, and like this is my life now. Like this is my little family in life, and with Percy, our cat. Should we answer the questions for each other? That's cute, right? Best friend tag is important for us because everybody thinks we're sisters, and we're literally not.
Yeah, everyone really is like, wait, I thought they were sisters, or like they're cousins, and then there's like literally like people are fighting about it and like actually coming for each other's necks about it.
We're really just best friends, but we tell
you think
everybody we're
like
siblings anyways.
twins?
Yeah.
No, you think of like sisters,
but we're not. We're just best friends.
Insert clip here.
Yeah, we used to put like stuff of us saying, we used to put twin like in the comments, but like I thought everybody knew.
Yeah, I thought everyone knew like it was like a joke, but I guess like
nobody knew.
Yeah, like with new people watching, they just thought. Yeah.
What's my full name?
I love saying Gabby's full name, Gabrielle Taylor Morrison, because it's so pretty, and I just like to be like Gabrielle Taylor.
And his full name
like I'm someone's mom.
Jada Yvette Wesley. What state was I born in?
You were born in Florida.
And so were you. So yes. Me and Jada are both from Florida.
Actually, no, I wasn't.
Yes,
I was born in Connecticut. Yeah.
What?
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
She was born in Central Florida, and I was born in South Florida. So we were born in different parts of Florida.
I got vaccinated, and my arm literally hurts. So if y'all see me being weird and doing this, it's because my arm hurts.
When's my birthday? Okay, Jada's birthday is October 23rd.
Of what year?
2001.
June. I know it's June. It's
oh Lord.
13.
Yes. When and where did we meet? Right?
Instagram DMs. Because I saw her on my For You page. I was like, oh, she was so cute, like the curly hair, whatever. She had good lighting, and I just thought she was so pretty. So I DM'd her, and I was like, you're so pretty. And I remember I looked through every single picture on your page first before I DM'd you, because you didn't have that many. You probably had like 10.
Everybody that I know on TikTok at the same time, like for real. I feel like I met everybody around that same time, and like that's why like I hang out with so many people, and why we know so many people. I feel like is because we have been doing TikTok since 2018. Where like the wholesomeness from our friendship also came from the fact that we were helping each other figure out what to do.
Yeah, it's
like we would be on FaceTime, like everybody like. I don't even.
We did like, oh my god, let's take these cute videos.
I don't even want to name drop people, but it was just like a while ago.
Yeah,
we would be on a house party, no joke.
Yeah, we'd be on a house party with all kinds of people, and we were just so like just wholesome vibes.
Like we were like, so what do you charge? Because
what do you charge for these cell phones? Be like $200.
Yeah, so the very beginning, which is crazy to think about.
Insane.
Yeah, now we're here, literally in our own apartment in LA, like vibing.
We lived 5 hours apart at the time, but we literally saw each other so often. Well, we met at Playlist. That's where we met in person.
Bro, the question is
I met Gabby the first day she met on. Look, I already knew her.
The day before.
I already knew you. Yeah. Gabby came to like our Airbnb the day before.
And
then Gabby did she for him, and he was
I didn't.
And then Gabby went to college an hour away from me, to the college I go to now, which is USF, and then she would drive an hour to see me.
I would drive, like, Jada didn't even, like, drive around the highway or nothing, so I would drive back and forth. Like, if she wanted to come spend the weekend with me, like, I would literally drive, go get her an hour and a half away, drive home, like, with her the weekend, and then drive her back by myself. Like, a lot was going on in my life, and I just needed, like, Jada was my savior, for real.
And I didn't even know that. I was just like, oh, that's my best friend. I was just happy to be here. I didn't even know that you were struggling.
Yeah, I don't be telling people I'm struggling. I don't like doing that.
Yeah.
Keep it to myself. No, but it was nobody else's problem. And when you're depressed, I think when you're genuinely depressed, you're not broadcasting it.
Yeah.
You're too busy struggling to broadcast.
You're too busy struggling inside, faking it till you make it. We're gonna do a video right after this on my channel where we talk about how to become a content creator full-time and make this your career and make money from it.
So I'm sure we'll talk about like how we became like this in that video as well.
So just like a little
taste of what we just said, but
some little tips and tricks because we really have been on this journey like together since the very beginning. Next question.
Okay.
That took forever. My bad, y'all. I'm a talker.
Yeah, we both are. That's why
we can talk all day long.
We need to do a podcast or something because we just be talking
really
and talking
all day long.
And we talk like we're on. We talk like we're on like camera all the time. I feel like we talk like we're like. We're so.
We give like we just be smelling a tea. The whole truth, nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Yeah. What's my dream job? And I'm gonna go first. Jada's dream job is being an actress. She's working on now. Social media has been such a like a help in our lives that we can start to follow our dreams now. We have like a gateway to that. So maybe you guys will see us follow our dreams on this.
Yeah, I know. Growing up, it was just something that didn't seem feasible. And now that I'm actually living in LA, it was like, once I turn 18, I'm gonna move to LA and like start taking classes and auditioning. And then now that I'm actually out here doing it, it's just so surreal because I never thought that like that could actually happen. Next question, do we fight? Yeah,
I play bit good.
Yeah, we fight. But literally not often at all because we are so good at communicating with each other, but at the same time I feel like the only way for a friendship to really get close is, or really like that honesty and the loyalty that you find in a friendship, you mostly find through the downs, which maybe you guys aren't getting along, and that is how you know that someone will have your back no matter what, because they will always be there for you.
It's just think about it, you know, we think about, is this worth our friendship? And then
it never is.
Usually it's not. There's only like one or two times that But like in that, but like if as long as it's scarce, first of all, those experiences make me realize, okay, like this is actually an unacceptable thing that I shouldn't do because I'm gonna lose my friendship over it, which means it's a big enough deal for that. But like it never happens because we're very like we understand each other. I feel like we don't really cross boundaries like that.
Very open-minded to just be like, if someone has a problem, we're not like, oh my god, deuces, like I can't be friends with you. It's just like, no, I love this girl with my whole heart, so I'm gonna hear what she has to say and try my best to fix whatever it is.
Yeah, I feel like that fragility of if you do something I don't like, I'm gonna stop talking to you.
Yeah,
type
it's
of thing.
very immature.
It's very immature, but also just like a threat.
Like they got famous and they dropped me. Like what? That's not a thing. First of all, we don't
No,
do that.
I don't know how that's a thing.
That's not a thing.
If somebody does that,
if someone said that about either of us, like that is the biggest lie on the planet.
On the planet. You guys will see more of me, especially when I'm with Jada. I feel like I can be
we're
myself.
Like more ourselves, like together. Yeah. So more into this YouTube journey. This is kind of a more like formal, like we're
it's just a start. You know what I mean? We're just a start for you guys to have a backbone to our friendship. Like we try to explain it in a Q&A version, but it doesn't really make sense.
It does make sense.
Yeah, if you want to get to come back to this video after you watched our future vlogs,
our future vlogs, and be like, I remember. You can say you've been here from the beginning, so stay tuned.
Yeah,
then you can really say you've been here from the beginning.
Yes, especially our YouTube journey is gonna be so different from our other journeys. So it's gonna
be more authentic and just more behind the scenes. A lot of our content is it's like more about quality, so you're looking at more like aesthetic or like, I don't know, like you get what I'm saying. It's more about quality, so it's a little bit more of a face and just being pretty, but this is more about who we are as people
and what we do on our day-to-day and our relationships. And I feel like we'll also, like, the more we talk, the more we can spill tea, you know what I mean?
Yeah, the more we can spill tea. Y'all are gonna hear some tea because I love to gossip.
The more we speak, the more you guys, the less they can ridicule. Because I feel like when you're on TikTok or you're on socials, like, every little word you say counts because you only say so much. But so if the more content there is, the less they can pick and choose what to talk about. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, I don't really want it to be like one thing. I say one thing and it's like, like
it's like, oh my god, you said, like, then once they see how we talk and just see, like, what it means to us,
on that one thing. Like, it makes me look like I care about
this
like
is
that.
just
like,
our everyday speech. This is just a typical sentence that's probably a joke. Get over it.
Yeah, literally.
That's me. Like, I feel like I joke around a lot, and so people like come for me, and I hate that because I'm so like, I just say like funny stuff, or it's just funny to me. I say it all the time.
Yeah, it's just like,
and I just think it's like funny.
Okay, just make sure you guys tune into our next videos. I hope this got you guys excited and let you guys get to know us and stuff and see what our friendship is kind of like. You'll see a lot more of it in the upcoming videos because I'm going to be active.
Hello. Come on in. Luna will always attack you like that as soon as you open
This
the
is
door.
what happens when you come into our apartment.
That is a given. That's always gonna happen.
Yeah, even though I just came in 2 seconds ago, that's the reaction I get.
And she always goes up there and sits.
Yeah, that's true. Front walk-in. Ew, why do we have a whole bunch of random stuff on it? Honestly, our apartment isn't that clean, y'all. Sorry to break it
this
to you.
is like everyday living. We didn't sit here and scrub it down for the video. This is like a very natural.
Yes, very natural apartment tour. Yeah. So here we have the.
This is just from my plant.
If you see anything random, it's literally Jada. Yeah. So this is the mirror that's at our front door, and then we just have like this is where Luna's walking stuff is, and this is where we have the masks. You know, COVID and stuff. That's it. I put my bag right here just because, but this table honestly shouldn't be here, but it comes in handy for some reason. Here we go. This is our living room.
Yeah, Luna.
You know, Luna thriving to be the star of the show as always. Yes, that's her favorite spot, just so everybody knows. This is just our living room area. We have reclining couches. Show them, Jada.
Oh.
Me and Jada, like, I've always wanted one of these couches. It was really my dream, so we got it. This is the first time I've ever had them.
They also have chargers on them on the side, so like anyone who comes over, you can charge your phone on any end here.
Period. So they just recline like that. Their console has like chargers in it and stuff like that. It's very like favorite couch, best decision, honestly.
Yes.
And we decided to voice over the rest of this. This is our kitchen. We decided to do a pink theme in our kitchen. There's way more pink stuff, like in the cupboards and stuff, but you can't really see. But we got like a pink coffee maker and a pink toaster, and I really love the pink kitchen. Then this was where we eat, just like our dining. We want to get new chairs for it, but that's what it looks like. This is our bookshelf that we have, and this is my room. Before I redid it, like full disclosure, I literally filmed this video such a long time ago, but now my room looks completely different. So a new room tour will be coming out, but this is what my room looked like before. It was just seafoam green theme. There was like no theme to it. It was very boring. And then this is my bathroom that has the same color theme as my room. This is the little hallway we have in between our rooms where we just keep all of our tripods and ring lights and stuff. And then this is Jada's room. I don't know if she has a theme to her room either, but I love her room. I think it's really girly and pretty and cute. Here's Percy Cat. I don't think you guys saw Percy in this whole video. This is Jada's cat, Percy. And then this is her dresser with her TV on it. Very aesthetic, very cute. And this is her bathroom. That's like lavender themed. Alrighty, love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.